other than the world champion Gukesh. So happy to have you here, Gukesh. In fact, we have a very nice picture here of both of you. But more than that, I have a video which we pulled out, and maybe we want to play it.
Okay, I will play.
We both. We both are the best team.
Good game, good game.
Yeah, I saw this actually.
This was 5 years ago. Gukesh, Prag, and as Gukesh likes to call Vaishali Akka. Gukesh, you've done that. You reached the candidates. You won it. You saw Vaishali's journey. How has it been for you? The journey and her winning the candidates and reaching the world championship.
Yeah, so like, first of all, huge congrats to Vaishali Akka. Like, I'm just always amazed, right from 2024 candidates, like I'm always amazed by the character that she shows in a game, in a tournament, and like, I remember how tough it must have been in 24, but like the way you came back, it already like showed, like amazing spirit. And I'm like really glad that we both can fight for the world championship. And also I'm super happy that like I personally know how helpful Vice President Sandeep sir has been, like Vishy sir's influence has been for my career. And I'm super happy that Vaishali Akka also has the same amazing support. So it's really like, I remember like I was following the last round of the candidates. I mean the men was already over by that point, so I was like following Vaishali Akka's game and I just like screamed when she won. So like it was really cool for me to see, and yeah, I'm sure she'll give her absolute 100% in the match. And yeah, both of us will do something special.
Okay, this was Microsense training camp where we were playing doubles. Oh, sorry, this was
Can you come a little bit?
this was a training camp and we were playing some fun doubles. Prag and Vicky were team and me and Bharat were team, and yeah, we lost on time.
Vaishali, what does it also mean and the effect it has to have these sessions together? Because I genuinely feel like that is such a game changer to be able to work together and grow together.
Yeah, definitely. This camp is also very special for me. We got to work with Irfan sir and Tamlik sir in person, and we had a lot of fun. We played a lot of clips and some other games also. And also in Vaka, we used to have like a lot of online sessions together, group sessions. It was it's also very inspiring for me to see all these guys calculating. I mean, it's they find some unbelievable moves, and we had like a lot of fun in the pandemic time. We had nothing to do. We had all these sessions, and we were also like improving as a player. I'm also very happy that he's here. Yeah, he said some very nice things about me. Yeah.
When you won, did he call you? He messaged you? What was it?
Yeah, of course he wished me, and yeah, I hope we both will win the match and we'll again be here to celebrate.
I just wanted to add something about the Vaka sessions we had here, because I remember like we used to have these group sessions and like the boys would always be lazy, coming late on the on the sessions and like not replying in the messages to the group and stuff. And Vaishali Akka would be like very organized, so I learned something from her.
Yeah, I remember actually also Anand had once said that you are the most organized, like whatever is said, you properly note it down, you make it, you never forget it, like that, no?
I think so. I guess I tried to in the last few years. I'm not can answer that.
No, just when I would sometimes go to the beginning of the call, the Zoom call before the class, just to see who is there. And always the first. Camera switched on, everything ready and ready to good to go. So
There's a joke in the chess circles where we say like Gukesh could have come early to the training session, but Vaishali?
Vaishali.
You never get bored of this.
Never gets old.
But in general, Vaishali, just this fact that you won the candidates now and you will play the World Championship match, and someone has done that very, like, just 2 years ago or 1.5 years ago, does that inspire you? Does that motivate you?
Yeah, definitely. Especially his growth has been very inspiring also because through Waka I got to see like how young is. It's like we had like a lot of group sessions throughout, and it's very nice. Personally, it's been very happy for me. So.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Gukesh, for being here, for coming to this event, and for just with these wonderful words you had. So thank you. Guys, huge round of applause for the world champion, Gukesh.